So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to turn on dark theme on settings. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the settings available on your device. So let's open it. Now this is the screen of your settings. Now scroll down and you will see the option of display, so tap on it. Now again scroll down, then you will see the option of dark theme will never turn on automatically, so by tapping on this icon you can enable it, which is available on the right side of the screen. So enable it. Now see, your dark theme has been turned on automatically. After this, see, all this has been set as dark theme. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.